Hello everyone, I'm here with Nkini, one of the initiators of the Street League. So Nkini, how has the Street League helped football players in TIS?
Football is a sport that creates teamwork. With the closed area created by the Street League, it allows us to coordinate with each other, pass, shoot, and work on ourselves and our skills and on our teamwork and strength skills when we get to the field.
Okay. So how do you think you improve the Street League in the future?
Well, I think we need a designated ground for street because we play in the sports complex, which is used for volleyball, badminton, basketball, and all that. So, we need a designated area for street. And that's something we work on achieving later on after we.
Hello everyone, so I'm here with the initiator of the CAS project, the Street League, and your name is Ntien, right? Yes. So how has the Street League impacted the way football is in TIS?
You see, the thing about TIS is everybody loves playing street. So then we just want to create a CAS project that actually made everybody enjoy it, involve everybody as much as we can. Are we doing this to have fun, but we're also developing the skills of many boys who want to play street, maybe football in the future and things.
So how do you think you improve on the Street League in the future?
Hopefully we get to make sure people actually social distance and wear their masks. That's a very key thing. But then we also want to make it, maybe we could even do a field league at some point. It can be like Sunday football, those things. Exactly. So then we just look forward to the future. But right now everything is good, everything is fine. So yeah.
Okay. So the final question. So how do you feel today that your team didn't make it to the top of the table?
Obviously it's a bit disappointing. We could have scored more goals, but we still got a win at the end of the day. So all we have to do is just look forward to the next match next week and go out with the same mentality of trying to win. So we all want to win, so we have to put 110%. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Run.